Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising. So let's see ano yung energy update sa inyo. August 16 to 31, 2026. General reading. So pwede kayo makarelate. Pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay. Gemini, let's see. What's the energy? Okay. Individuality. Pride. Ooh, may paninindigan ng mga Gemini ngayon. You will be proud of who you really are. No? Maaring mas paninindigan mo yung sarili mong kapakanan, no? Sarili mong mga pananaw sa buhay. And also, kung ano man yung mga bagay na minamanifest mo, you will see na malapit na itong mangyari kapag you are seeing a lot of signs. Mga signs na related doon sa minamanifest mo. And some of you, Gemini, ito very specific na message lang. If there's something na kailangan mong aminin tungkol sa sarili mo, sa nararamdaman mo, sa totoong katauhan mo, magagawa mo na yan ngayon. Kasi may lakas ng loob ka na. You have the Six of Wands. So this is about triumph, victory. Merong kayo pag isi-celebrate. Maaring may achievement related sa trabaho, business, career, or this can also mean certain level of popularity. So, yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay magiging successful sa field ninyo. Tapos, maaring kayo ay kikilalanin, i-recognize. Your challenge is the Two of Cups. So, pagdating sa partnership, relationship, or challenging situation within agreements, connections with other people. Now, your opportunity is judgment. So, this is awakening. I think may mga realization ka ngayon to reinvent yourself. You are letting go of the old you na hindi na nagre-resonate sa mga bago mong path na gustong tahakin. Kasi alam niyo naman, nagbabago tayo over time. Kung dati meron tayong gustong mangyari sa buhay natin, and then over the years, nagbabago yon, napapalitan. So I think this is also you awakening to your true self, na it's time to focus on who you really are, no? Pagpapakatotoo sa sarili. Now, your blessing is the Seven of Wands. You are definitely someone na kaya mong ipaglaban yung sarili mo. Hindi mo na hahayaan na ikaw ay i-take advantage ng ibang tao or apihin ng iba. You're protecting your energies, you're setting boundaries. Money, career, finances. Wow, this is success. In your career, finances, double success yan. Some of you, pwedeng may importanteng travels related sa trabaho or meron kang ma-acquire na sasakyan. Now, your love life, you have the Nine of Cups. If you're in a relationship, I see you experiencing happiness, fulfillment with your partner. If you are single, you will mingle. If you're single, meron kang mga bagong connections, going out, meeting new people, having fun. Red, forgive. You're going to forgive yourself as well. I think kasi meron ka mga itinago sa sarili mo na parang you want to please other people, kaya parang yung totoong ikaw itinago mo. Kasi akala mo kapag iniba mo yung sarili mo or parang inalign mo doon sa gusto ng iba, mas matatanggap ka. But this time you realize na it's better na maging ikaw, totoo ka sa sarili mo. and be celebrated for who you really are. So you are forgiving yourself. Some of you may also be forgiving other people on how they treated you, no? Kung paano kanila trinato. But overall, this is you forgiving yourself. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.